Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use OCR to extract text from images in Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What is OCR? OCR means sonor character recognition that lets Adobe Scan recognize text in scanned images or documents so you can copy, search, or edit text from your scans. So to do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan. Then inside, make sure to log in using your Adobe ID, Google, Apple or Facebook. The next step is to scan a document or image. Simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom right of your screen and then capture the document, receipt or image containing text. You can also adjust corners or crop if needed. And once done, simply tap on Save PDF and then Adobe automatically applies OCR to detect text. The next is to open the PDF for text transaction. Go to your saved scans on your home or library, then simply tap on this scanned PDF to open it, and Adobe Scan has already converted the image text into searchable text. Then simply tap on Save or Export in the app by simply tapping on this button right here, or tapping on the option that says Export PDF right here, extract pages or simply edit text, and open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader or similar apps, and you can now select, copy and edit the text from the scanned image. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.